The rabbits are waiting. So, really need to install the deterrent before they eat all our veggies. And under that shed, that's where they're stay and probably have kids already. I should be charging them Airbnb. She ran. I don't know. Where is she? That's where they're getting. They usually dig up. And then I will have to put something there. I know what to put. Get out. We'll have this garden full of veggies. And most of the time we don't get to eat them because they eat them first. That's another one. They dug up right here. So, and there, all the corners. Also have one here. Look at that. This one here. Really, because there's a bigger space. It's a beautiful day today. It's in the 70s. So I'm gonna be putting in this barbed wire I bought from Amazon. Oh, there is a supply of gloves. I just bought 50 feet or 16 meters. I'll be putting this as a sub fence or dig it into at the bottom of the fence because that's where they dig. I showed you before how they do it. So we're gonna put this 3 of the barbed wire like this. We'll put the barbed wire here, 3 of them together from that point probably, because I can see some space all the way to the corner. So let's remove the rocks here so we can peg 2 posts of nails. I'll use this nail, wrap the barbed wire. Okay, I cleaned it up now. I don't know how the rabbit was able to remove all the racks in there. I'm gonna use the gloves for the barbed wire. Okay, I thought it will snap. So we will be doing from here. Let's untangle this. You have to straighten it. We'll wrap this here like this. Let's see how there. It's not really a hard metal wire. It's kind of soft, but we can use the plier to further fix it in place. Okay, so I have this. We can use this. Okay. Oh, lots of wind. So this will at least put it in place so the rabbit can't, if they're smart enough or strong enough, to move it. So one from here all the way to here. Let's stretch this. so it's really up to here. We're gonna cut it here. Let's do that. Okay, it's a soft wire. I don't know, is this aluminum or steel that gets rusty over time? I don't know. You might be wondering why 70s and I'm wearing long sleeves. Well, two purpose: protect from the sun and extra protection for this sharp barbed wire. One down. Now we're gonna measure the same length. Again, let's stretch it a little bit, straighten it, and we have to make sure that the barbed wire is alternate. And I'm gonna put the third one here. So this one is a little bit long. So maybe, no, it's good actually. If it's like this, it would be good. We've been looking for ways to protect our veggies. We thought of putting a fence around it, but for us, we wanted an open garden. We don't want those small fence around it. We already have a big fence. So really, all we need to do is control them, or don't let them get into our yard. They dig down into the fence, bottom of the fence, and then that's how they get in. Smart little guys. You can say they're cute, yeah, but wait till they eat all those hard work of gardens. Okay, we need this in the middle. There, and then this. By the way, I put a third one so that it is fixed to the like middle. Let's put this inside the stone. There's a stone here that I put long time ago. So we're gonna wrap it around there. There. Yes. That's basically what I'm doing. So that we can stretch it. Yeah. I'm gonna dig this under also, but there's a rock there. Let's remove that. Our friend for the plants. Warm. I love this. I love these guys. Don't kill them. They help you fertilize your soil. That means if you see that, if you see those worms, soil is healthy. Maybe this is good. Now, when the rabbit starts digging, they will say, ouch! No, I don't want that anymore. Let's find a new neighbor. So, we're gonna do this other side here. Lots of things. Now, let's fix it. I don't know how they're able to dig into it. There. There you go. Sorry, cutie rabbits. You're not gonna hopefully get in my fence and eat my veggies. You can knock at the door and we'll give you some carrots if you want. You know how to knock? Oh well. Can you train rabbit? Maybe. Just like the magicians do. We have some neighbors. Dangerous. They should not be putting that. I'm actually running out of barbed wire. I have to order it. This time I'm gonna put this on both ends and then wrap it. I'll show you. I'm gonna dig something there first. Or maybe we'll make it short. So I'm making it post to post. Yeah. I'm wondering why they don't like daffodils. We already have daffodils bloom early spring like now. So I wonder they don't like daffodils, but they don't like marigold. They like our raspberries, even though there's a lot of thorns. And what else do they like? They like our stargazers. Oh, that's for the chipmunks. Now I don't know yet how to control the chipmunks because they're like smaller. Okay, let's do it from here. Okay, and then I'm just gonna stretch it. I think this is an easy approach. Then we're gonna have some nail in the middle, uh, evenly distributed. We'll put it here, and so really dig it in and wrap it. And put it here. Cushion for me. So now it's dug in. This will help. I'm just trying to put it tight a little bit. Just do this thing. Even just two would be fine, I guess. Yeah, I guess two is fine instead of three. To hold it. Let's do the last one. Okay, we can cut this. And we're left with just this one. Challenge, to give challenge to our cute friends. Okay, maybe a nail to just push it through. Okay, before I close it, I'll show you. So that's how it looks. And I push it on some of them. Yeah, maybe that will help prevent rabbits. Let's now cover it. For this one, I'm just gonna put, I don't know if this is effective, but I'm making it deeper. So let me try. Yeah. Should we? Okay. I don't think they can enter through that. Sorry. Cut. We have to remove that from the video.